are set up in Warren County, Ohio. We're overlooking this bean field, as you can see. We got our buck guarding a doe. We got him set up about 28 yards, so the wind is out of the east and it's kind of blowing right here in our face, back over this big draw we got back here. But I got a buck that I call the legend on this farm, and he's just a great big, heavy, old, mature buck. We think he's probably in excess of 170 inches. But he's bedding back up here in front of us, and he's using this same trail every evening. So we actually saw him last night from a ground blind on the south side of the field here, and he was up here chasing a couple young bucks off the field. So we brought the decoys in tonight, and hopefully he does the same thing and we get a chance at him. Well, we just had Pop come in. Big buck with big fork G2s. And I mean, he was at dead 30 yards, but I just couldn't shoot him quartering like that. I mean, I was full draw, but man, what a buck. That's number 2 on my hit list on this farm.